There's still some swallows here, but the moon, check out the moon. So clear in the sky right there. Boom. Like a blue canvas with a white round dot in the middle of it. So, oh, you know what would be totally epic? If a swallow flew right in front of the moon. The moon is of course going lower, so maybe I'll have a chance. Whoa! Did you see that? Look, look. They're back, these 3 birds in this tree right here. Yeah, I thought they were starlings. The right one looks like a starling, but the other 2 are maybe young ones. Oh, there they go, there they go. The sun has come above the tree line. This is why we should always bring another camera with a wide angle lens. The moon is still there, can you see it? Right there still. Maybe I can still get that shot when a swallow flies in front of it. But I first want to film swallows drinking, because they fly over the water and then they drink a little bit of water. But it's so difficult, they're so fast. Holy crap! Do you hear that? What is that? The sun is so nice right now. Look, I've got my second camera here to film the environment. That's of course obvious. If you really want to make the best videos, you gotta capture it all. If you capture only the animals and the birds in that environment, you only get half the pictures. You have to film the environment as well, especially this sunrise. The plovers are also still here. Okay, I have a new tactic. I'm gonna try to hold my entire setup like this. It's pretty heavy, much heavier than the other camera with the 50mm. Maybe it can work. Look how close they're flying. They're flying right over my head. Holy crap! Okay. This looks ridiculous, but it works much better, because I can move so much faster with them. Swallows are so entertaining. Look at this. No, they're not barn swallow, I think. Oh, I'm really scared they're gonna fly right into my face. I don't think they're barn swallows. Maybe house swallow, is that what it's called? I don't think they're barn swallow, otherwise I would have seen their red. Where do they have red? On their head, I believe. They don't. They're darker than that. Come on, give me some swallows. Yes, I got that one very quickly. That was a little success. So that proves that this is the better tactic. Oh, right over my head again. No, wait a second. Lapwing. Holy crap, they're flying all over my head. Look at this. Maybe you can see it. Whoa! In the background. I'm trying to film it with my 50mm now. It's still really difficult. They're freaking fast, alright? But I'm getting some shots here and there. Holy crap, there's so many. Holy crap, lapwing. Is that lapwing? Wait a second. Okay, let's continue there. Boom, right over my head. That was a kestrel. Holy crap. That was my first kestrel ever. The first kestrel I've ever seen. And I filmed them hovering in the sky. Holy shit, that was amazing. This is why you need to have patience. Holy crap. That was... Even the moon is still there. Can you see it? Right there. So, that was so amazing. Batteries, both of my GoPro are gone. I saw a lapwing and there was another bird right next to the lapwing. And I looked with my binoculars. Holy crap, there he is, there he is. There's the kestrel. Look, look. Do you see him? Look at that. Oh, so epic. That is iconic. And I saw him. I saw a reddish, brownish color and I immediately knew that is the kestrel. He's back, he's back. The kestrel is back. Where is he? Look how he hovers in the sky and how he spreads his tail. Their eyesight is impeccable. From all the way up there, he can spot a tiny little mouse down on the ground. In fact, holy crap, he is perched. They can not only spot that, they can see the piss of mouse. The mouse trails where they urinate in the field. They can see that. Especially if the sun hits it. I think it actually shines ultraviolet. That's a color that they can see. And that's how they find mice. That's one of the ways. So awesome. First ever kestrel. Such an amazing little bird. The colors are beautiful, the pattern, epic stuff. I see him still hovering. I see his details. I see his yellow paws, his yellow claws actually. I see his grey head. Holy crap, here he comes. He's gonna fly over. Yes! This is a great start of a great journey. These are the kind of moments. I still see him in the background there. Can I see him? He's still right there. So I'm glad I filmed the kestrel with my camera because check this. Ooh, I didn't properly charge my battery and I only have one. So when I'm home, I'm gonna order a second battery right away. I still see him there. The roe deer is back. New species. Holy crap. Amazing.